Allison, how are you today?
Good.
Good. I wanted to share with you, you get this wonderful kindergarten kit to get ready for kindergarten. You have a color journal, an alphabet journal, and a shapes journal. There's a cute game that you can play with your dad right there. You have these wonderful books you can read about your feelings, your toys, your town.
Okay.
And there's flashcards in there, so have some fun with it, okay?
Okay.
What is this one? What is that?
A rainbow.
A rainbow. It says My Colors Journal. I think it's amazing. I think it covers, colors and figures, shapes, feelings for the social and emotional learning aspect. It's very good. I think it's a balance between, schoolwork and also making it fun for their kiddos too.
Kindergarten is really the foundation of what school is, and so even though it's going to be, distance learning, it's very important that they get off to a really good start.
Blue and orange.
Blue and orange. Good job. Our district is doing phenomenal. They're going above and beyond, whether it's a district office, at the schools, the principals, teachers, the staff. So I'm pleased and happy, and I know we're fully ready to start school on August 3rd, whether it's online, later on moving to in-person. I do believe we're providing a world-class education for our kids in our community, and so that's why my kids go to the school district as well.